Hello, and thank you for checking out ShopCure. Our goal with this video is to show you how to use our web app and how we can help you drive quality service appointments into your repair shop. We'll start with the enrollment process, how to optimize your account, and how customers can book appointments with you. So what we're looking at here is our quick enrollment process. We just take a few pieces of information to see how we can help. So I'll go ahead and punch in some of my information here. So we'll say that we're in my region. Let's say we have a car count of anywhere from 3 to 5. Average repair order, let's just say 325. We'll say we have 4 to 6 technicians working here. So it looks like there is a good volume of quality appointments being booked in my area. So I'll go ahead and click next. This is actually what an appointment could look like through your mobile device. So we just ask for shop information as well as some contact information to set up the account. So I'll go ahead and pre-fill this information right now. Now with this information pre-filled, I'll go ahead and click next. Now the last piece of information that we ask for before we go to the dashboard is just some shop information in terms of your address and where we can contact you at. So I'll go ahead and pre-fill this information as well. And then I'll go ahead and press submit. So now our account has been created and we're just about to see our dashboard, but before we do that we have a brief prompt. So the first thing that we ask you to do is just upload a customer list so that way we can start to market to them and drive appointments into your repair shop. So the first thing that we actually do for free is we'll provide you a customer report so that we can go through all of your customers and their vehicles and see the potential in your customer list. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. So we would just upload a quick customer list, which is just a brief Excel sheet that you can fill your customer's data with. We just ask for name, email, phone, and VIN number, so that way we can evaluate their car. So I'll just use a sample file here and go ahead and upload this list. So this does take a moment to upload and analyze all of the data that's within the table that you've given us. So I'm going to go ahead and skip over to some preloaded visuals from here. So while we're waiting for the customer list scoring to complete, we're going to go to our dashboard here. So we see a to-do list here of things that we can do to fully optimize our account. So one of the steps here is to enroll in FlexPay. So FlexPay is actually an option that allows us to send customers that are financed into your repair shop. So what we've seen is that about 30% of consumers that get repairs are looking for finance. So we just make that option easier for your customers and your repair shop. So you just need to set up an account with some brief pieces of information, which will allow us to pay you for financed customers that come through. So once that's completed, we can go ahead and see that our customer report is ready. So let's go ahead and see a sample of what it is that we've done for you. So what we're looking at here is the overall metrics of the 100 customers that we've uploaded. This is just the overall view, so we can send out a customer invite to all of these customers, as well as track the progress that we've made on encouraging them to book appointments with you. So what we see is the total number of repairs that we've seen based on all of the VINs that you've given us. You can also look at the individual customers here. So for this customer here, Mark Walker with a 2012 Toyota 4Runner, the most common repairs for their mileage, things that you can look into and recommend to them, and then also send out an invite to book an appointment. We do see that there's customer scoring based on their vehicle. When they book the appointment, we'll actually be able to provide scores on other metrics in terms of finance, loyalty, based on an algorithm that we have on the back end. So let's go ahead and say that we wanted to send an invite out to all of our customers. So before we do that, we would just need to set up our account here. So we have a partnership deal where we can set this up for you for free and give you a free trial to market to your customers. So all of those steps are now done. We've uploaded your customer list. We've taken a look at your customer scores. We've invited them all to join and activated your premium account. And we've also set you up for FlexPay so you can receive financed customers. So now that we've sent out that invite, let's go ahead and see what it looks like for a ShopCure customer to go ahead and book an appointment. So once a customer receives an invite to book an appointment, they'll get an invite to join ShopCure, and we ask for a few pieces of information just so we can develop the customer scoring and help to inform them on what could be going on with their car. So we ask, what is their vehicle? What are the most likely repairs that are going on with their car or are needed? Or if they have a specific problem, they want to explain some symptoms that they're dealing with, we can help them to find a potential repair. Or maybe if they have a general idea of what repair they may need, they can choose from a list from here. Once they choose their vehicle, we'll give them a price estimate, but we also want to make sure they know that you are the expert and the authority when it comes to repairing vehicles. So it always comes down to the repair shop that we're sending them to, any notes that they have, where are they located, and then we ask them to create an account. So once we create the account, we have pieces of information to do a pre-authorization with FlexPay. So once they create the account with us, we reveal that we have a great match for them, which is obviously going to be you. And then they've also been pre-approved for a program called FlexPay, where they have funds available to them. If they need to get more information, they can click here to find out how it works and what it is. But what this does is it provides our customers with a good level of confidence that they can afford the repairs that you would be recommending. So it just makes things easier. They'll have a lot more confidence about getting the things done that need to be done with their vehicle. So after that, we would just schedule an appointment. We ask them for 3 times, so that way you can select the best of 3 for your repair shop. And they have a pending request approval here. So this is what they'll see before you approve the repair. And again, just summarizes everything that they've been over while we're waiting to hear back from your repair shop. So on your end, you'll actually get an appointment request coming through. So let's go ahead and take a look. So all of our scoring has actually been completed based on everything that they've submitted for us. And we also see that this customer has been pre-approved for up to $3,600. So this also gives your technicians, your service writers confidence in knowing that finance has been made available. So let's go ahead and select 12 p.m. and approve this customer appointment. We'll go ahead and go into the confirmed appointments. Once they drop off the vehicle, we can go into their appointment date and check the vehicle in. This just serves as a reminder because I'm sure that a couple of days have passed on what's going on with this customer, as well as the finance that they have available. So once the technician has reviewed the vehicle and come up with an estimate, they would go ahead and complete the repair. But one thing here is that we would include the repair amount to activate the loan and finance that will go to the customer. So from here, you would just punch in the RO amount and then send off an email to the customer into their inbox to then set up FlexPay and complete the enrollment. Once they go through this process with our partner Dignify, they would punch in the required information, and then you would then get paid for a high quality appointment.